Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Tamisha Denis, and today I'm going to tell you all about my e-course called The Method to a Positive Dental Experience. And it is really simply that. All it means is I've created an e-course to walk you through how to systematically eliminate, conquer, destroy all of your negative perceptions and dental fears and phobias. And I know you guys have lots of them. The reason I know that is I read your comments every day on my channel talking about the dental procedures that you're going through, how you feel about going to the dentist, how much you hate going to the dentist. I listen to that every day, not only in my dental office, on YouTube, and your comments. So the method to a positive dental experience is very simple. It's a mindset shift. It's a way for you to really look into what you've been thinking about the dentist, known and unknown, conscious and unconscious, and really diving into that so we can destroy all of those negatives and replace them, transform them into something positive. It is divided into 3 modules. The first module is about the mind, and the mind means we're going to go through the myths, misconceptions, and misinformations that you have about the dentist. We're going to break down each one of them, all of the ones that I've come up with my 15 years of dental experience, and I'm going to break them down so that now we can create a clean slate, and now we can replace that into your mind with positive mindsets and approaches to going to the dentist. Now you don't have to be fearful. You can go to the dentist with confidence. The second module is all about the body. A lot of people first think of this when they think about what they need to do when they're going to the dentist. But the first one is a comfort. It's about comfort. On my channel, I have a video about the 5 things that you should bring to the dentist in your next dental appointment to make it more comfortable. In this course, I have a module called Stormy versus Heavenly. The 7 things that you need to bring to the dental office in order for you to have a more comfortable experience. The second module, what should you expect? It's going to happen to things that create anxiety before you go to the dental experience. We're going to dissect them, break them all down, and make you feel better and more confident. Maybe it's been a long time. Maybe you go all the time, but you want to get back in there and get it done in 2023. The third part of the second module is about the 14 most common dental procedures. How long it takes for you to do that procedure, how much money it usually costs. Is it something expensive? Is it something that's less expensive? And then usually the pain level so that you can feel better. The last module, module number 3, is about spirit. And that means what does it take for not only for you to start, but also finish. I see patients all the time. They come in with very high hopes. They want to come in, they want to get all of this work done. And then they hear about how much it costs. They start dreaming about what kind of pain might be involved in the procedure, and they start to build a lot of anxieties. So we're going to talk about not only how to get started, but also how to finish, that finishing, that staying power that you need to accomplish your goals. And then the last module is about caring for your smile. If you do all of this work, whether it's 1 crown, 1 extraction, smile makeover, you want to protect your investment. And that means good dental hygiene and also other appliances and things that you may need to protect those brand new veneers or just your healthy mouth in general. So this is what the method to a positive dental experience is. If you are interested in this course, I have all the course information down below. I also have my free course called The 8 Reasons You Are Not Ready to Go to the Dentist or Skydiving, which is a fun way for you to introduce yourself to going to the dentist and all of the things that you might not have thought of before making that first dental appointment. You would be surprised that you may not know everything. All right, so this is Dr. Tamisha Denis. I'm so excited for you to start this journey with me. I'm so excited to see what you're going to be able to accomplish this year by really taking control of your health, of your smile that affects your whole life. It affects your eating, your laughing, your socializing. And now we're going to see what you're able to do when you can conquer your dental fears, get back into the dentist, and achieve the smile that you've always wanted. Make sure that you're staying connected with me because I'm always responding to all of your comments, and I want to hear about any other topics that you would like to talk to me about. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the course. Bye.